everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Vermal Product Reviews, and today I have some new EDC pouch for today. So this is new and I think you're gonna like it and you're gonna subscribe to my channel, okay? And also please don't forget to subscribe and also like and follow my social accounts, okay? Because this is connected into all of my social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Okay, so here it goes. Let's gonna start up, guys. So this is new. So this is okay. I buy this in online shop. So let's gonna open this up. Let's do an unboxing and also a first impression of this new item that I bought online. Okay. So here it goes. Let's gonna open this up and eh, it is arrived today and just gonna open it up. So we don't have much time, but I think this is new. And right, this is the tactical bag. This is the tactical EDC bag pouch that you can put it in your waist. So let's open this up. So it is nice. This is a nice bag, of course, and I think this is great. Wow. Okay. Wow. Perfect. And this is having some. You're gonna put this in your pocket, or you gonna put this in your bag. So this is nice. This is great. Awesome. And yes, it has a it has also a cell phone pouch in here, which you can put some cell phone. Okay, let's gonna try to put some cell phone on it. Okay, let's try to put my iPhone in here. And yes, of course, indeed, it is so perfect. You can put and you can adjust it the way you want. Okay, so this is new to me, so this is great. And yes, and this is perfect for EDC cycling, EDC cycling, and also EDC for motorcycle riders. So this is good and very very lightweight, so you can put everything in here. You can put some snacks on it, coins, your money, your wallet. So this is interesting and sounds good. This is good. And let's try to put this, but my shirt is don't have a what is this, don't have, so that's why I have to. So you can lock this in here like that. You can lock it. You can lock it like that. And then okay, yes, like that. So need to push a little more, and yes, like that. You can push it a little more so that you can make it. And there is, okay, no, it cannot open. So just like that, and then you're good to go to your uh, what is this so called, you can put anything that you want. And then yes, like that. So this is good and compact. And there is also a ball pen holder in here. There's also a ball pen holder, so you can put your ball pen in here. So as what you can see in the picture of this, in the link, you can see how to manage and keep your EDC things in this EDC mini bag. So this is great and good. And I think I'm gonna make a review of this sometimes in this month. So just watch it that just watch out for my review of this. Okay, so okay. So that was, guys, that was it. That was my new EDC pouch bag. So and I can use it anywhere, everywhere. I can wear it in my waist, in my shirt, so that you can see. So I will make a full review of this. So if you're interested in this kind of vlog, in this EDC pouch bag, so just subscribe to my channel, and also please click the notification bell below so that you will notify all of my upcoming videos here in my channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit like to my videos, okay?